Hey everyone, welcome back to App Tech Knowledge. In this video, I will show you how to download and run any project from GitHub, even if you have never used it before. So first we need to open a browser, and then here we need to search for GitHub. We can simply search for GitHub and then going to log in GitHub. As you can see, we right now into the GitHub. GitHub is a platform where developers store and share their code. You can find the free projects, templates, and full website ready to use. So now we're going to find our project on GitHub. Go to github.com. As you see over here, use the search bar to find what you are looking for. We came into the search bar, and then here we can simply search for portfolio website. I'm going to search portfolio website. Search. And as you can see, there are lots of options. My self-coded personal website built with React.js, and also they have different types of options. So we're going to go for this link over here, and then here we will come over into this option. And for the downloading this project, we need to come over into code, and here we'll get the option called download zip. We're going to click on it and then click download. After, as you can see, the zip file has been downloaded. So if you click on the folder icon and going to move it into the desktop, and now we're going to go for the desktop section, and here is our zip. So now I will going to unzip it, going to extract all, and after a short time, so now open the folder. I will going to open this folder and going to go for index.html. So for that, I will going to open it to the Visual Studio Code. So for that, I'm going to come over into these options over here and going to search for CMD. Into the CMD, I'm going to type code and then click enter, and the VS Code will be open. After opening the VS Code, we're going to click on the file and going to open folder and going to select this folder. And as you can see, here is the folder, here is the index.html over here. So as you can see, here is the index file. So if you just preview it, as you can see, the website looks like this. So yeah, this is how we can simply download project from GitHub. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.